Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best leather paint is probably one of the most transformative projects you can undertake for your home, breathing new life into worn-out leather furniture and completely changing the look of a room. In this video, we will explore the top leather paints available, comparing their ease of use, durability, color payoff, and overall value to help you choose the perfect paint to revitalize your cherished leather pieces, whether it's a classic armchair, a stylish sofa, or a unique vintage find. Number 5. Furniture Clinic Leather Balm. Is your leather furniture looking faded or scratched? This balm easily restores color and hides imperfections. It's available in 16 colors to perfectly match your pieces. This versatile balm repairs a wide variety of leather items. From couches and car seats to boots and jackets, it covers minor damage and restores the original color. Use it on sofas, chairs, car seats, even clothing. It's a great alternative to other, more complicated leather repair kits. Bring your leather back to life. This product has earned the Good Housekeeping seal. It's been rigorously tested and proven effective by their experts. You can trust its quality. We're confident you'll love the results. But if you're not completely satisfied, we offer a money-back guarantee. Our experts are also available to answer any questions you may have. Before using, test a small area to ensure your leather absorbs liquid. A simple water test will tell you if it's suitable. Watch the video for more details. What we like. It boasts a wide array of colors to match any leather item and is backed by the Good Housekeeping seal. Plus, a money-back guarantee ensures satisfaction. If you need a reliable and versatile solution with a trusted reputation, this is the one for you. What people say. I grabbed this West Elm leather axle sofa from the curb. It had several discolored areas, but I was determined to save it. Luckily, I found this product. I bought a few different colors and the camel was a very close match. I first applied to a section hidden by the cushions to test out the color match and saturation of pigment. It is brutally cold here, so I applied in my living room. I did not notice any strong odors. The sponge applicator that was provided worked well. Use the gloves even if you think it'll be a quick, clean job. First, I love the cleaning solution. It's pretty darn powerful. The balm reminds me of like a silky soft butter. It applies nice and smooth. The color overall is nice. I would recommend applying when you have access to either bright consistent lighting or natural lighting without direct sunlight. I bought a couch on Marketplace on the cheap. It was faded but the leather was in great shape. So I watched some videos, read some reviews and landed on what appeared to be the perfect product to bring this couch back to life. The 3-step process was easy to follow, though took some elbow grease and was fairly time-consuming. The cleaner and the conditioner worked excellent. Number 4. Chalk Style Paint, Pint. It's an all-in-one paint, with built-in primer and top coat. You can use it on almost any surface, indoors or outdoors. It's made by a respected manufacturer with over 80 years of experience. You'll get amazing adhesion and great coverage, requiring fewer coats. This paint is perfect for furniture, kitchen cabinets, home decor, upholstery, and craft projects. The possibilities are endless. It dries within 30 minutes to a beautiful chalky matte finish. It's easy to distress for a unique look, yet very durable. It's made without harsh chemicals, making it safe for your family and the environment. It's even certified safe for children's toys. Chalk Style Paint, transform your home with ease and style. Order yours today. What we like. This paint is an all-in-one solution, requiring no additional wax or sealant, and it's also eco-friendly. The easy application makes it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. If you value convenience and environmental consciousness, this is your best bet. What people say. The paint was unexpected, very easy to use, and the color came out a lot prettier than expected. It was so smooth and easy to apply and such a beautiful color. Just the right color I was looking for too. After a couple of coats I went over it with the wax to seal it. It turned out perfect. Dries quickly and covers bad spots on your furniture. Number 3. Leather Recoloring Balm. Is your leather furniture looking worn? This balm easily repairs scratches and restores faded color, leaving it looking like new. Say goodbye to unsightly scratches and stains. It rejuvenates your leather's natural hues and protects against future damage. This potent formula revitalizes the color of your leather, ensuring a vibrant and stain-free finish. It's more than just a recoloring balm, it's a revitalization treatment. More than just a color restorer, it helps maintain the natural oils in your leather, preventing cracking and peeling. It also offers UV protection for long-lasting beauty. Get professional-grade results with ease. This balm is simple to apply and provides a robust shield against sun damage, keeping your leather looking its best for years to come. What we like. It not only restores color but also removes scratches and protects against future damage. The formula revitalizes the leather, keeping it vibrant and stain-free. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to rejuvenate your leather, this is it. What people say. Thick, cowhide leather, but worn out from being popular over the years. I tried many products over the years but nothing beats this one. Looks like new. This color matched my 20-plus-year-old couch perfectly. Works great, 10/10 highly recommend. Easy to apply and dried pretty quickly for me. The results are amazing, the chair looks like new. I never thought we would be able to save it, but this product really worked. Number 2. Furniture Clinic Leather Repair Paint. It comes in 16 colors, so you can restore faded leather, recolor worn and cracked leather, or even change the color completely. It's that versatile. This paint penetrates leather fibers for full coverage without changing the texture. Plus, it helps protect against future discoloration. Apply it with a brush, sponge, or spray. It dries in minutes, but for best results, let it cure for 24 hours. It's a unique blend of color and finish, acting as a leather color restorer and sealant all in one. No need for a separate top coat. Use it on sofas, cars, clothes, handbags, any leather item with scuffs, scratches, or color loss. It's the ultimate leather repair solution. What we like. It comes in 16 colors and is a 2-in-1 solution that seals and colors simultaneously. It also dries quickly, making repairs a breeze. If you need a quick, efficient, and versatile solution for your leather projects, this is the one. What people say. After cleaning the chairs and trimming the tags around some of the holes, I used Coconix Vinyl and Leather Repair, purchased on Amazon, to repair the hole in the arm and fill most of the claw holes. I then applied leather repair paint and ivory to the chairs using a sponge and several light coats using about a quarter size amount at a time. I didn't have to use a hairdryer, recommended in instructions, the paint dries fairly quickly. I did need to apply a few extra layers to the arm and sides where the repairs were heavy. The chair is still very soft and the color looks great. Application is super easy. Cleans up with soap and water. I applied 3 thin, all-over coats to 2 captain's chairs and additional coats to several repair areas, and I still have 1/2 of the 17-ounce bottle left. I applied this as directed in several thin layers, allowing it to thoroughly dry in between. I used a dry circular sponge and just spackled it until it blended, let it dry, and repeated. I was shocked at how easy it was and how great it turned out, considering the size and depth of the discoloration. Number 1. Furniture Clinic Leather Repair Paint. It's a 2-in-1 solution for repairing leather. It seals and colors at the same time, making repairs quick and easy. This paint easily covers scuffs, scratches, and color loss. It works on furniture, car seats, and more. It penetrates leather fibers for full coverage without changing the texture. Plus, it helps protect against future discoloration. This all-in-one formula has a built-in sealant for a satin finish. No need for a separate top coat. It dries to a professional, color-fast, and scuff-resistant finish. It's durable and long-lasting. From sofas and car seats to handbags and clothing, it's the perfect solution for all your leather repair needs. Get yours today. What we like. It dries flexibly, preventing future damage, and works on all types of leather. The formula ensures a professional finish that's both durable and color-fast. If you want a long-lasting solution that protects your investment, this is the perfect choice. What people say. After cleaning the chairs and trimming the tags around some of the holes, I used Coconix Vinyl and Leather Repair, purchased on Amazon, to repair the hole in the arm and fill most of the claw holes. I then applied leather repair paint and ivory to the chairs using a sponge and several light coats using about a quarter size amount at a time. I didn't have to use a hairdryer, recommended in instructions, the paint dries fairly quickly. I did need to apply a few extra layers to the arm and sides where the repairs were heavy. The chair is still very soft and the color looks great. Application is super easy. Cleans up with soap and water. I applied 3 thin, all-over coats to 2 captain's chairs and additional coats to several repair areas, and I still have 1/2 of the 17-ounce bottle left. I applied this as directed in several thin layers, allowing it to thoroughly dry in between. I used a dry circular sponge and just spackled it until it blended, let it dry, and repeated. I was shocked at how easy it was and how great it turned out, considering the size and depth of the discoloration. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.